Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're unboxing and putting together the new Ledge Prime 2.0 from Green Mountain Grills. We're gonna start by opening the main box. Then we want to take this black envelope and open it. And inside you find a QR code that will take you to the Built app where you have easy to follow instructions. We're gonna start by opening the main box and remove the top packaging inserts. Now we want to open the sides of the main box and keep removing everything that's inside. Open the grill lid and remove everything inside. Now we want to flip the grill on its back carefully. Use some extra cardboard pieces to prop up the grill. Next we want to insert the two locking caster wheel legs into the left side of the grill. Using the socket wrench, attach the locking caster legs to the grill. Next we want to attach the oversized wheel legs and lock it in with the assembly bolts. Now it's time to lift the grill up on its legs. We want to align the grooves underneath to the bottom storage shelf and put that in place. We want to attach the bottom shelf panel using assembly bolts. Next we want to open the grill lid and carefully remove the handle. Now we want to reattach the handle and the heat transfer plate. We want to attach both of the front shelf mounting brackets, and then we want to attach the collapsible front shelf. Then we're going to tilt the collapsible front shelf and lock it into place. Next, we want to push down the side shelf support bar and insert the side shelf to the grill. We want to push the chimney through the hole and secure using the chimney bolts. And then we want to add the chimney cap to the chimney. Add 2 handfuls of pellets to the firebox and then place the heat shield on top. Insert the heat shield adjustment handle into the hole. Next we want to position the grease tray in the grill, and then we want to add the 2 base grill grates. We want to rotate the drip spout latch and hang the grease bucket. Last but not least, we're gonna attach the antenna to the control board. And I'm a real idiot when it comes to putting stuff together like this. So if I can do it, then you can do it. Putting together the new Ledge Prime 2.0 from Green Mountain Grill is actually super easy. I hope you like this video. Happy grilling.